In this video, we'll be talking about how exactly you can create a SEO strategy for your business or your client's business. Let's get into the video without any further ado. This is one of the SEO strategies that I've created for our clients, and I'll be kind of going over exactly what stuff we have covered and how exactly you can do the same. Just so you know, this is not a basic stuff. This isn't an automated stuff or some SaaS SEO audit that you can get. You'll have to put in manual effort and time into it because this needs effort. There are lots of elements in this SEO strategy document that we have covered, and I'm going to show this. If you do it right, you are creating a plan for your company or your client's company for the next 3 months at the very least, and you would exactly know what to do, how to exactly get that ranking, get that leads that you're trying to get. So yeah, let's get into the video without any further ado. First of all, if you see, we have added our client's screenshot from Ahrefs. If you don't know what Ahrefs is, ahrefs.com is a fantastic SEO tool. No, I'm not sponsored by that, but yeah, that's what we use in our agency. That tool is going to give you backlink profile, how many keywords they're ranking for, what sort of keywords they're ranking for, what are their main pages ranking. There are a couple of alternatives as well. For instance, SEMrush, Mongoose, a lot of other tools as well. It's totally on you. And yeah, if you actually see, according to Ahrefs, this business has approximately 2.3k backlinks from 222 referring domains. These links primarily come from citations, business directories, thought stacking, and things like that. Now here, if you see, we are kind of differentiating each of these link building methods that we are doing for our client, and you can do the same because you gotta know which specific method your client is actually doing right now, so that you can further expand on that if that's working. If that's not working, you just know that, hey, this is not the way you're gonna go. You'll have to know whether what sort of link building method you guys are doing or your clients are doing at the moment, whether that's bringing in results or not. If that's bringing in results, double down on that. If not, move on and try another one. Then if you see, we have got at present the website hosts 9 blog posts and 28 published pages. So we'll be mentioning all of the index pages and things like that, because then we'll be knowing whether our pages are even getting indexed or not. That's the thing. Then we are having on-page SEO and content. So we are actually missing these location pages, right? This is very subjective. If you are serving multiple locations, then only you need this. If not, you'll just ignore this one. Then we have got homepage optimization. So we are actually telling what sort of gaps are there in our current homepage. For instance, this one, the average content length for competitors is approximately 1200 words, while our client has 890 words. We can improve the page by increasing the content to around 1300 to 1500 words, and I've listed below a few missing elements that can be added. For instance, we can expand on why choosers and things like that. Now, this will come down to how great you are with competitor research. You will have to see this and kind of compare with their competitors, and then you can know that, hey, we can actually expand on these areas, on these content. Now coming to the location pages section. Now again, saying this will only apply if you're actually serving multiple locations. So this is the exact word that we have got here. While the overall content looks good, I noticed that one of the pages contains an excessive number of emojis, things like that. So you are kind of suggesting a couple of stuff, for instance, emojis, content structure, missing sections and whatnot. Same thing, these pages are missing FAQs. Further, we can add approximately 250 additional words with relevant entities to the exact section. Now if you see this is not some bluff, right? This is all the to-do stuff. Now I can just go and I actually do this. I'll just go here, create a task in Asana or whatever project management system you're using, and my team would get shit done. That's how we do that. Now, if you see, we have got a couple of screenshots as well. And here's exactly the screenshot of what's wrong and what you need to do to make it right. Again, a lot of pages that needs improvement. Then we have got blog content. Talking about blog content, while the company has 9 blog posts published on the website, 3 of pages are currently blank. Again, either 404, these all technical issues. We don't really want that. We need to make sure that all the pages that actually exist on the website is really good, is really written correctly, and yeah, is actually entity relevant as well. So yeah, that's the stuff. Other than that, you will see blank blog URL, merge content, and also the formatted, or the incorrect formatted blog post. Then we are coming to the other section, which is schema. If you don't know what that is, schema is basically some sort of codes that you actually add on your page to help understand Google about your web page. Now again, if you see, we have got this schema on this page, but there seems to be some issues with it. For instance, while the website includes organization, rating, website and offer catalog schema, it is missing the HVAC business or the specific industry schema, right? So we'll need to implement this. I already added this task in WorkZappy. That's the CRM, that's the project management system we are using. So we have already added this task in WorkZappy. There's also an example of few HVAC schema that we can do. You can do same for your industry. Now coming to off-page SEO, which revolves around link building, citations, mentions, and things like that. So if you see, this specific client has got a total number of 114 backlinks consisting of profile links, citations, cloud stacking, and press releases. So we are exactly mentioning what sort of links they have got and what sort of links our competitors have got, because here is a competitive table. We can see how many backlinks our competitors have got with the anchor text analysis as well, which is very important. Here if you see, we have got count of anchor, for instance this build Dixon, and then the naked URL, then visit website, AC repair services. Now here you can see what sort of anchor text are we using, and then also compare this with your competitor. For instance, this competitor has used more of call today or naked URL, website, visit website things, whereas our client, he has used more of keyword rich anchor text. So what's my go-to or what's my tool now? I'll just go on and create links, but that would be more of naked URL or brand URL or visit website things, anchor text like that, and not the exact service or keyword anchor text, because overdoing the anchor text, that's gonna impact negatively. So yeah, make sure to not overdo that part. Other than that, you can see we have got overall backlink profile, which contains total backlinks, average domain rating, high DR backlinks, low DR backlinks, anchor text analysis as well, and things like that. And we have got this for 3 competitors and then our website. Now coming to Google business profile section, aka Google My Business. So here if you see, we have got reviews section here and the comparison. So our client is having 60 reviews, whereas competitors are having 651, 94, and 989, and you can also see gap here, right, where Mechanical has 10 to 16x fewer reviews than top competitors, so which impacts visibility and ranking in Google Maps, right? Then we have done the same stuff for category, primary category, secondary category, and then gap. Same with Q&A, same with post, same with products, services. The last part, photos and videos, and then NAP consistency. NAP consistency is basically name, address, phone number consistency. So we are having 1 NAP issue, whereas competitors are having 4, 6, and 3 respectively. And you can see the observation over here, better than competitors, but yeah, should fix the remaining error, right? And then we have got more detailed information here on this sheet, which if you look, it's kind of showing number of reviews over rating, category, secondary, number of Q&As, post photo. This is the exact stuff we do. This is exactly how you can do the audit for your client and also create an SEO strategy for your company or your client's company. And believe me when I say this, if you did correctly, you have that 3-month plan for your SEO. And these are the only stuff you need to cover. Yeah, so summarizing it, here's what you need to actually look at on page SEO: missing location pages, homepage optimization, location pages, blog content, schema of page SEO, which includes backlink profile, anchor text analysis, and then Google business profile, which mainly includes reviews, categories, Q&As, posts, products, services, photos and videos, and NAP consistency, and NAP mentions as well, how many times you have got your NAP mentions or citations. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you need any help with marketing, feel free to book a consultation call with us using the link given in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye, have a great day. And just a quick note that if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. I'll cover that in the next one. Till then, bye bye, have a great damn day.